What's up, you guys? I'm going to be sharing a little quick video here with you all on how to factory hard reset your Galaxy S21 Plus 5G smartphone. So basically, you want to plug your data cable into the phone and hold the power and volume down button at the same time until the phone completely turns off. Once it turns off, you want to continue to hold the power button and release your hand off the volume down and press the volume up until it comes to the restore screen. From this point, you want to press the volume down to where it says wipe data and factory reset, and then press the power button. Then you want to press the volume down to factory data reset, press the power button again. And from this point, you want to select reboot system now and press power. And from this point, you want to let the phone completely restore. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Until next time, you guys be safe, take good care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next one.